Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, there are currently no power options available in Windows 11 Fix. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Open Remove and prevent access to the shutdown, restart, sleep. Change to not configured. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.